Hello friends, I'm Olivia B. My shop is Hillside Rookery on Etsy and I am here for another unboxing video. It's like in the morning, I'm about to go to work, but I received this package at the end of the day yesterday and it's from Notforgotten Farm and I'm just too excited to go through it to go to the office without doing that. So I wanted to, as usual, bring you along with me in the excitement so we can go through this together. All right, so let's just get right into it. Starting off with Cedar Waxwing. Very pretty. I think Katie Strachan did a conversion of that one, but I could be wrong. It could have been another one. Okay. Let's see. I have my friend Sunny the dog right here, so I can't put charts there. I love this one, the Flight. You know, Laura Duet stitched this one. So cute. That one. And Jingle All the Way. I love this one. I really want to stitch this one for Christmas. I love the houses, the reindeer, everything. Oh my god, this guy is so cute. Parade Sam. Look at him. She has like a whole series of these little guys. They're so cute. Reverend Gordon Squash Bottom. Oh, I'm sorry for the glare. He's famous, beloved. I love this one. Okay. The Witch's Inn. So fun. I love that big yellow house. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh. This is Weep Not. This is really pretty. Sepia Sampler. Definitely want to stitch that. I want to stitch them all. It's not an exaggeration. Okay. Okay, this is a new one. So cute. Witch Hazel. Is it a boot or a stocking? Oh my gosh. So cute, little chubby face. Isaiah Nye, 1819. Oh, I gotta take it out to show you. My friend Megan from White Eyed Stitcher stitched this. It's really cool. I love it in this frame. Ugh, these are my favorite types of frames. Isn't that cool? Struggle is real. Okay. Another cutie. Bee's Knees. This is Feeding the Bees. Pardon the weeds, I'm feeding the bees. Feeding the Reindeer Sampler. It's kind of hard to tell in this picture. Maybe I need to stitch that so people can see it. So cute. The majority of Notforgotten Farm patterns call for DMC. Pretty rare that I see one that calls for overdyes. This is Flag Folk. It's a very popular patriotic one. Had this one in my stash for a long time. Picture's a little dark. This is Old Wick Burying Ground. This one's hard to see too. Witch's Garden Sampler. Look at that frame. OMG. And last but not least, I think, is a, no wait, no, penultimate Tinseltown. It's really cute. And then the last one is a new release that I'm loving. It's called Autumn Moon Farmhouse. Maybe I'll just be naughty and just stitch this. You know, when you have like a million patterns you want to stitch forever and then something new comes out and you stitch that, you feel a little mad. Maybe I'll do that, except without feeling bad. All right, well, thank you guys so much. I really don't want to go to work now, but that did make the morning a little easier. So I had just uploaded an unboxing the other day. So this is the first one of a new video, so there will be more after this. I will hang on to this, but thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one. Hi friends. It's a few days later and I got a package that I'm very excited about. This is a big box. I don't think the box is full. I think there's probably padding in here, but it's heavy. And this is from Checkers Distributing. They distribute sewing notions, fabric, quilt patterns, etc. Thank you to my friend Lori who told me about Checkers a while back. They have a very reasonable minimum purchase for people who are buying wholesale, so that's very helpful since I have a small shop. So I'm gonna just get right into it. There is a lot of paper in here, as I figured there would be. But okay, so the thing I'm most excited about is the heaviest thing and the thing at the top of the package, and that is the Raven Quilt Book. So the Raven Quilt Book by Blackbird Designs contains the full pattern for the full Raven quilt, and I've been making videos on my channel. I'm overdue for one, but I've been making the quilt. I've been doing it as part of a quilt along with some lovely ladies, and sorry, one second. I want to be able to show you the quilt, just in case. This is the book, and this is the quilt. And again, this is a Blackbird Designs book, and it was reprinted maybe a couple of years ago. I don't remember exactly, but I haven't been able to get it anymore. Hoffman was where I was getting, or was where I wanted to get it from, but they were sold out, and Moda as well, I believe. And I don't know this for sure, but someone who I trust, who knows more than me, definitely, says that she believes they're not reprinting this. That doesn't mean they won't eventually. It just means it's not in stock right now, as far as I know, and there's no immediate plans. But it so happened that at Checkers, they still had copies left. So I bought a bunch of copies, and I'm going to be putting these in the shop for anyone who wanted this but hasn't been able to get their hands on it. I'm going to try to upload this video at the same time that I post on Instagram, because I really do appreciate those of you that come hang out with me here on my channel and watch these videos, and I want to make sure that you have a fair shot at these if you're looking for this. If you happen to see this video and I'm sold out, please don't be alarmed or think you can't get it. I am convinced that brick and mortar quilt shops that don't have their stock on their website probably have plenty of copies of these. It hasn't been that long since the distributors have been out. And again, it could get reprinted, so you know, I don't want to make anyone panic buy anything. So yeah, if you go to my shop, Hillside Rookery, and it's out of stock there, then I would call around. It shouldn't be hard to find quilt shops that carry this style. You could try Primitive Quilts and Projects Magazine. They probably have lists of shops. Those would be good shops to try. Quilter Station in Missouri would be a good one to try. Those kind of shops that do maybe some more primitive, or would be the kind of shop that would carry like Civil War reproductions or wool or that kind of thing. Since they're not advertised online, they've only been selling them to the customers that come in the doors of their shop, so they probably have plenty left. Sorry, that was a long spiel. I just don't want anyone to worry about it, but if you were looking for it, I want you to be excited because it's here, and I'm so excited because I've been having people contact me asking me where they can get it, and I haven't really been able to answer them besides what I just told you. And meanwhile, I've been making all these videos on my channel about me making the Raven quilt, and I want everyone to be able to access it. So here are even more copies of it, and I'm glad they wrapped it in plastic so they're in good shape. So I get to get a few other quilt patterns from Checkers. So I thought I'd show you those. Oh, and they did have some cross stitch, so I got a couple of cross stitch patterns. This is an Artful Offerings. I thought this was really cute. This is Honey Hill Hamlet. How cute. I really love those houses, the striped houses. Okay. This is another Artful Offerings. This is Saltbox Sunflowers. Again, just really cute. They just have the cute, charming stuff. And they're usually pretty small. So easy to stitch up. This is a really cool quilt pattern by Kathy Schmitz called Eastmoreland. I've been admiring it for a long time. I watched Anna from Quilt Roadie's work on this. I can't remember if she finished it or not. But it's really cool looking. And it's got embroidery and applique on there. And I would really like to try to make it one day. And this is another one in the same vein, also from Kathy Schmitz. This is In the Treetops. I'd like to make this one too. I think she does raw edge applique. I would do turned edge, but same thing. But just very creative. I just think they're so pretty. And then this is another Kathy Schmitz, Merry Little Christmas. And this is a mix of applique and embroidery. I thought that was really cute too. My friend Michelle is doing some embroidered ornaments by Kathy Schmitz that are super cute. And I think this pattern reminded me of Michelle, and I had to have it. And I would like to make this. I think this is very cute and cheery. So I think that's in that pile. Just a few more. Okay, these are Heartspun quilts, which is Pam Buda, one of my favorite designers of fabric and quilts. I think I've mentioned this before, but if I carry a quilt pattern in my shop, it's because it's something I want to make. And I usually go for two different types of things: hand applique or very doable pieced quilts like this. This is Redwood Manor. I really like to make that. And then Walnut Hollow. Of course, that's definitely my style. I love that. Did I get more from her? Yes. Spellbound. Oh, this is so beautiful. And I think it's just like half square triangles and squares. Some of those could be flying geese. No? Well, no, it's half square triangles. That's totally doable. We could do it, guys. We could do it. Okay, I showed you one. I think that's it, my friends. Yes, that's it. Well, it's a great package. Let's be real. It's a great one. It was a quick one, but a good one. I think this is going to be a short video with just 2 unboxings because I don't have any more packages on the way at the moment. Really what I need to be doing is selling things and making more room for more packages in the future. So I should probably have some kind of sale or something soon. I just need to get things under control. That's what I need to do. But all in good time, you know. I have to prioritize the day job. But I hope all of you are doing well. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for, you know, joining me and watching these videos. I never know when it's, you know, how much is too much. But there's still those of you that hang out every time, and I really appreciate it. So I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.